Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hola, my name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes, and if you're not new, then welcome on back. Today's video is going to be a quick little video, I hope, maybe, if I don't talk too much, but today I wanted to walk you through my everyday makeup routine with glasses. So recently, like a few months ago, I actually got prescribed these glasses, and I really like them. I think they're really cute and they've definitely helped my vision. But I was noticing that I found myself like hiding behind my glasses, and I would find any excuse to just wear my glasses because I was like, okay, they kind of hide my face and I don't have to worry about wearing too much makeup. And then one day I was like, you know what? I need to stop doing that. I need to stop hiding behind my glasses. So if you're doing that, this video is for you, okay? So I'm going to show you what kind of makeup I wear, I guess, when I'm wearing my glasses. It's very minimal, but it's still very brightening. Your eyes look very bright and awake, and it's just pretty. And I'm also going to be wearing lashes, but they're so natural. You won't even tell. So I am really excited. Today's video is in collaboration with SheGlam. They are a makeup brand that is sister or that is owned to Shein, which is a huge clothing line. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys their new Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder. These are revolutionary, you guys. Like, these powders are so good. I've been testing them out for a few weeks and I absolutely love them. You will see why in just a few minutes. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you grab your cafecito, grab your hot Cheetos with your limon, grab your blanket, or grab your makeup brushes if you're going to be getting ready with me. And let's go ahead and start with today's video. All right, let's go ahead and start with a bare face, shall we? I already have my eyebrows on. If you guys are interested in a tutorial for my brows, I will have a card up here. But really quickly, I just wanted to give you some information on the SheGlam Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder. So I have two shades here. This one is called Translucent, and it's just a plain white translucent shade. And then here I have the shade Smooth Sand. So the cool thing about this one is, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but usually if you use like a baking powder to just like set underneath your eyes, you get that crepiness, that dryness. If you have fine lines and wrinkles like I do, hello, let's be real, it tends to get very thick. For me, I find that a lot of the like baking powders, A, it dries me out, and B, it really makes my like wrinkles just stand out. So one thing that is super innovative about this powder is that it's a 2-in-1. And they also release this cute little peach colored sponge. So yeah, this is what the powder looks like. You get your under eye powder on the top, so you can just boop, 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 and then sets. And then when you open it, well, you twist it, and then bam, you get the face powder. So this is what you're going to use to set the entire face, and you're going to use the top powder to set underneath the eyes. Because the formulas are so different, it's just going to give you such a filter-like effect. When I was wearing this on Monday, my sister was like, why does your skin look like a filter? Like, your skin looks so smooth. I was like, it's this powder that I'm trying out. So this is, like I said, the shade is Smooth Sand, and as well, it comes with the little thing at the bottom, the loose powder, and then at the top you get your setting powder. Okay, so let me just walk you through what I like to do. First, I like to just hide the pores a little bit. Since I'm not doing like a full foundation routine, I'm literally just spot concealing here and there where I have redness. This is like hormonal redness. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and I just like to press this up against the pores. I do have oily skin. If you're new here, hi, I'm super oily. And I do have large pores. Next, we want to conceal. Use a concealer that is very close to your skin tone. That way it doesn't look like you have concealer. It's not obvious. It just looks like your skin is just like perfect. For that, I'm going to take the Haly's Rewind Blurring Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Neutral, Medium Neutral, underneath the eyes. I don't go as crazy as I normally do if I'm wearing foundation, because again, I don't want to make it super obvious that I'm wearing heavy makeup. Okay, so everything is nice and blended out. Before we set, I am going to go in with a little bit of a cream blush. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Swoon blush. And I'm going to take that right here and right here. I'm also going to do a little bit of cream bronzer. This is again just to balance out the skin so it doesn't look so uneven. And this bronzer dries down to a matte finish, so I don't have to worry about setting it. And then I'm going to take a little bit on the sides of the cheeks. Once we apply the setting powder, oh my gosh, the skin is going to look so good. Last but not least, obviously, I have to add a little bit of highlight. And I'm just going to pop that on. This is the Profusion Brunch highlight. I think this was limited edition. I'm not sure. Now, what I'm going to do is I like to, it just depends on your preference, but I like a more bright under eye. So I'm going to take the translucent shade, and I prefer to use a brush for underneath the eyes. I just notice that it settles into my fine lines less. So I'm going to take the under eye setting powder, and I'm just going to set, making sure that I go back and forth, pressing that onto the skin. The powder in this is so finely milled. It is so soft. Like, you can barely see it, and it feels like velvet, you guys. I'm not even joking. I hope you guys try it out because it's seriously a really good powder. And I love that you get a 2-for-1, which is such a great deal. Do you guys see how smooth the under eyes look? Like, filter who? Okay, I'm quickly going to switch to my medium powder, and I just kind of just quickly stipple it all over the skin. I just want to set the creams down to make sure that they stay in place since mama is oily. Look at that. I went ahead and added mascara to the top lashes. These lashes, you guys, I discovered them not too long ago, and whenever I want to wear my glasses but I still want to wear lashes, these are my go-to. I had to go get some new ones because I just go through them like nothing. These are the Kiss My Lash But Better MLBBs. This is what they look like. And I know it's weird because if you guys watch me, you know that I am a super glam, full thick lashes, but I can't do that when I'm wearing glasses. So I was like, okay, I need to humble myself. And so I was on a hunt for some natural lashes, and thanks to TikTok, I came across these. These are super natural. They're so wispy. They're curly, and they just look so beautiful with glasses. They just really make your eyes pop. Actually, before I put on my glasses, I always use a lip gloss when I'm not wearing much makeup. I don't know, I just feel like lip gloss, A, makes you look a little bit more youthful, and it's just low maintenance. So my absolute favorite lip gloss is the Heat Hot Cherry by Fenty Beauty because it adds a little bit of color to the lips. And it's super glossy, hydrating. You see how it adds a little bit of color to the lips? So now we can wear our glasses. And mine are, okay, they're clean. Boom. Just like that. And as you can see, the lashes look like they're mine. I'm sorry, it's a little bit not blurry, but como se dice, like the reflection because of all the lights. But as you can see, like the lashes look like they're mine. The skin, let's take a close-up at the skin, okay? Look at how silky smooth underneath the eyes look. The skin looks and feels so soft. Oh my gosh. I had to run upstairs and I'm out of breath. If you guys are wondering if it's worth it, definitely check it out. Like, you will not regret it. You guys can just You guys can search up the Insta Ready powder on the SheGlam website and you can see what shade maybe suits you best. If you don't know, I would just go for the universal one. This one's probably my favorite, but if you want something to match the color of your skin, then search for one that is closest to your skin color. So there you have it, you guys. This is my everyday makeup routine. Very very minimal, no foundation, spot concealing. The skin is soft. It is ready to be set all day, and oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with these. Definitely get your hands on them, and if you pick them up, let me know what shade you got, okay? So that is it for me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you all. Stay blessed, stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!